G'day guys, you're back with MiracleMAX. Today we'll be installing a cabin filter in a Mitsubishi Outlander 2023 with a 2.5 litre GDI engine in it. How do we do it? Follow along and I'll show you.
Fixing man, holding on by a thread. MiracleMAX, saving souls from the dead. Broken trees, shattered lanes where he's led. Engine roar, fight the silence in his head.
Fairly common spot to hide them, in behind the glove box. See, most of our vehicles nowadays are hidden behind the glove box. In this case, all we're going to do is try and dislocate this locator here and over here. Might have to put you down because it's going to take both hands on this one. On the right hand side, just note that there's a dampener located here. All we've got to do is pop it off this pin, then we can drop our glove box down. When the glove box is dropped down further, you've got two options. You can actually pull the glove box entirely out. It's just on a couple of hinges up here. What I prefer to do is just get my cabin filter box, stick it there and just rest it on it. Then that way you don't have to pull anything extra off. Got that fella off, and as you can see, it's just sitting on my box there. And what we're going to do is we're going to cruise inside and see where it says filter lid. Well, that's the clue. We just pull back on that tab there, pull it toward us. Hey presto, the lid comes off. We now have our cabin filter head in behind, and of course this was replaced by guess who? And was it done last time? Look, I seriously doubt it. But anyway, it is a service item, so it will get done. Not a sponsor though. I'm using a WACF 0198, and that's a Westfield brand. Okay, let's pop it in. Just notice here, written on the side, the airflow in this case goes down, and our fan is underneath and it draws it through. So this is the correct direction. We slide him into that slot, like a DOS. Ta-da! Then we get our little door with our locator up this side and make sure that that gets pinned into the locator over this side. Then we can just clip it in over here. Like that. And you heard that lovely little click, so it's all done. All we've got to do is our reversal now, put our glove box back into place. Of course, don't forget about that dampener on that side. Once that's located, we can shut the door and job will be done. I just pushed the glove box up and it located both sides here, and the dampener can just get pushed back on over here. Yep, I think we're in place there, people. Yep, that looks good. Okay, one more job. That's the job, finished. Well, that was an easy job. It was in a great location. It wasn't a hard job to do. Perhaps you could even stick this video in your playlists. I've just got to finish the rest of the service, hand this vehicle back to the customer, then my day is done. I hope you got something from the video today, guys. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and feel free to comment down below. Don't forget about that notification bell. You don't want to miss any future videos. Catch up with us on Instagram as well as Facebook. So until next time, guys, this is MiracleMAX signing off. I will catch you later.